Hello guys, today we're making unique style biryani.
First step.
First, we will take 1 kilogram of beef. Now take 4 to 5 medium onions payas. 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste lossen adrak. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder haldi. 1 lemon juice nebo. 1 teaspoon salt namak. 2 cups of water. Now we will cook it for an hour, so that our beef becomes tender. After 1 hour, our beef cooked 80%. Now we're going to the second part of the biryani.
Second step.
Here I have taken a bowl of yogurt. And now we will add biryani masala to it. We can use any brand of biryani masala. I have used Shem brand masala here.
Third step.
Here I have taken a pan and added half a cup of oil in it. Now add 3 green cardamom, 2 black cardamom, star anise, cinnamon, 1 tablespoon cumin zira, half teaspoon black pepper, 4 to 5 cloves long, bay leaf teas pata.
Mix it well.
Chopped 1 kilogram of tomatoes. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon garam masala. Now cook it until the tomatoes are soft. Look, our tomatoes are soft. Add some aloe bakara. Now we will add the beef that we cooked in the first part. Now we will add some coriander and 4 to 5 green chilies. Now we will add the curd that we made in the second part. I fried the onions, but it was not shown in the video. Now I will add them. Mix them well. You should definitely try this recipe. It is very delicious and you will enjoy it.
Fourth step.
First, we will add a layer of boiled basmati rice to the bottom of a large pot. Second layer, we will add the sauce that we made. Add boiled potatoes if you want. Follow my steps. Now we will cook the biryani on dum for 10 minutes.